Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mini ITX cases that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're building a compact gaming rig or a sleek home office PC, these cases offer a mix of design, performance, and value. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. Now, let's get started with the countdown. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the jonsbo C6 ITX Black Mini ITX Handled Mesh PC case. This budget-friendly option is perfect for anyone looking to build a compact and portable PC without breaking the bank. With its minimalist design, the C6 ITX features a fully meshed exterior for excellent airflow, along with a handy top handle for easy transport. If you're someone who frequently moves their PC, this feature is a game changer. In terms of compatibility, the C6 ITX supports Mini ITX and Mini DTX motherboards, along with ATX power supplies up to 140 mm in length. It also accommodates GPUs up to 255 mm and CPU coolers up to 170 mm, making it surprisingly versatile for its size. The quick-release, tool-free design adds a layer of convenience, making assembly and upgrades a breeze. However, its limited fan support, just one 120 mm fan on the top, rear, or bottom, means it's best suited for builds with moderate cooling needs. While it's not the most feature-packed case on the list, the jonsbo C6 ITX excels in portability, simplicity, and affordability. It's a great choice for budget-conscious users who want a compact and functional case for everyday use. Pros include its lightweight build, excellent airflow, and easy-to-carry handle, but the cons are its limited cooling options and smaller GPU clearance. At just $65, though, it's hard to beat the value here. At number 4, we have the jonsbo JonsPlus Z20 Black Micro ATX Mini Tower PC case. This case is a step up in both build quality and versatility, offering a sleek design and a detachable carrying handle. At just 20 liters in volume, it's compact enough for tight spaces, yet it supports Micro ATX and Mini ITX motherboards, making it an excellent choice for users who want more flexibility in their build without going full ATX. The Z20 stands out with its robust 2mm steel construction and intricate square ventilation openings, which not only look great but also aid airflow. It supports GPUs up to a whopping 363 mm and ATX or SFX power supplies, offering compatibility with high-performance hardware. The included magnetic dust filters keep things clean, while the removable PCIe fixing piece simplifies installation. Cooling options are plentiful, with support for up to a 240 mm AIO on the top and multiple fan configurations. On the downside, the Z20 is heavier than most cases on this list, weighing over 14 pounds, and its compact size might pose challenges for cable management. However, its premium materials, excellent hardware compatibility, and thoughtful design make it a great mid-range option for gamers and enthusiasts. Pros include the durable build, extensive cooling options, and spacious GPU clearance, while the cons are its weight and slightly cramped interior. At $104.95, it strikes a good balance between price and performance. Coming in at number 3 is the Fractal Design Ridge Black. Designed with elegance and functionality in mind, this case is perfect for anyone who wants a compact PC that blends seamlessly into a modern living space. Its slim, vertical profile is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also space-saving, making it ideal for small apartments or minimalist setups. The Ridge supports Mini ITX motherboards and GPUs up to 335 mm in length, which is impressive given its 12-liter volume. It includes a PCIe 4.0 riser card for vertical GPU mounting, ensuring optimal performance for the latest graphics cards. The all-panel removable design allows for maximum accessibility during installation, and 2 pre-installed 140 mm fans provide solid cooling out of the box. The USB Type-C port on the front I/O is another modern touch that adds to its versatility. While the Ridge is a beautiful and well-thought-out case, its vertical design limits internal space, which can make cable management tricky. Additionally, it's priced on the higher side of the spectrum for its feature set. However, its sleek design, premium materials, and excellent cooling make it a fantastic choice for users who prioritize aesthetics and compact functionality. Pros include the vertical layout, PCIe 4.0 support, and included fans, while the cons are its limited internal space and higher price tag. At $129.99, it's a premium pick for stylish and compact builds. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Cooler Master NR200 Mini ITX PC case. A fan favorite among small form factor enthusiasts, this case strikes a perfect balance between performance, versatility, and price. With an 18.25-liter footprint, the NR200 is compact yet spacious enough to house high-end components, including triple-slot GPUs up to 330 millimeters in length. The NR200 offers incredible cooling flexibility, with support for side-mounted 240 or 280 millimeter radiators, up to 165 millimeter CPU air coolers, and up to 6 fans. Its vented steel panels ensure excellent airflow, making it a great choice for gaming builds that demand robust thermal performance. The case also supports both SFX and SFXL power supplies, giving you more options for your build. DIY enthusiasts will love the tool-free design, which makes assembly and upgrades a breeze. While the NR200 offers tremendous value, its compact size and high airflow design mean that dust can accumulate quickly, so regular cleaning is a must. Additionally, the steel build adds some weight compared to other cases in this size category. However, for $67.29, this case delivers top-notch performance and flexibility, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced builders. Pros include its excellent cooling options, spacious interior, and competitive price, while the cons are the potential for dust buildup and slightly heavier build. And finally, at number 1, we have the Fractal design Terra Jade. This premium mini ITX case is a masterpiece of design and engineering, combining luxurious materials with exceptional functionality. The standout feature is the FSC-certified solid walnut front panel, which adds a touch of natural elegance to your setup. Paired with anodized aluminum panels, the Terra Jade exudes quality and sophistication. Despite its compact 10.4-liter size, the Terra Jade offers remarkable flexibility. It supports GPUs up to 322 millimeters in length and features a stepless, slidable central wall that allows you to optimize the internal layout for your specific components. It also includes a PCIe 4.0 riser cable for vertical GPU mounting and offers a USB Type-C port with 20 gigabit speeds for modern connectivity. The aluminum power button and front I/O further enhance the premium feel. The only real downside to the Terra Jade is its price. It's the most expensive case on this list at $176.72. However, if you're looking for a luxurious, compact case that doesn't compromise on functionality, this one is worth every penny. Pros include the stunning design, premium materials, and excellent hardware compatibility, while the cons are its high price and limited cooling support. For users who value aesthetics and top-tier build quality, the Terra Jade is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy building!